If you'd like to see the unboxing video and how to set these up, how simple it is, I'll have a link to the video either up here, over there, down in the description. I'll have it as in many places as possible so that you can find it, but I'll definitely have it where you can see the unboxing and setup of this. Real quick, before I get to the end of the video, I just want to go over a few things. I've been having trouble getting the end of this filmed because right now you can see I'm in the garage having trouble with thunderstorms and lightning. Definitely not going to be up under a tree like I was earlier. But also, I wanted to make sure that I bring the most value to your time when you're watching this. So I want, there goes that lightning. So I wanted to add a few more things to it. So first thing, the kit with 2 bands to get you started should run you about $35. Sometimes they're up to $48, somewhere in there, sometimes down to $31. Also, you can get the refill kit with 2 bands. You can get that for $18. I'll have a link down below to my Amazon storefront. I'd appreciate it if you could use that to buy it. That would help me out. I don't make any money off of doing this. The next thing is one kit covers about 4,300 square feet. I want to talk about how that's an advantage. I have one in the back and one out here in the front, even though my yard doesn't necessarily need that if you go strictly by square foot. The other thing that's important to know is that it takes 9 days, somewhere around there, for this to start working. Remember, we're trying to break the cycle of the mosquito. We're trying to stop the mosquito from laying eggs, kill the existing mosquitoes, and that takes a while for that population to drop down. Also, when you're placing this, another important thing is that you want to put in a shady area, the edge of your property, your bushes, things like that. One of the biggest advantages of this product over other products is the fact that when the mosquitoes go lay their eggs inside the Ortho device, that they actually take that poison to other locations. Meaning if your neighbor has water out, there's standing water near your property, anything like that, they're actually going to take that and spread it in places where you would otherwise not be able to. Sprays don't do that. Other things like mosquito dunks, they don't do that. That's one of the biggest things, is that it allows you to control the population around your property, your house. One of the other big advantages of it is the fact that you don't have to use sprays. You know, for me, mosquito spray kind of makes my skin feel hot, kind of burn. I don't enjoy using it. I'm sure other people don't enjoy it as well. But you don't have to take my word for it. If you check on Amazon, when you click on my storefront link, you'll see it has 4.3 out of 5 stars. And you can go see all of the reviews where other people talk about it, talk about how it works, talk about the difference it makes. Hey guys, I'm down here with the Ortho Mosquito Defense System. Going to give you feedback on how well this is working. I'm in month 2. Disclaimer now, when I first set these up, I went from being in a drought to extremely dry to being super wet. It rained and rained and rained. We got like 20 inches in the last month and a half. So I do think that's somewhat had an impact on the amount of mosquito activity. Obviously, we went from being super dry to having a lot of water everywhere. However, I do feel this thing has worked extremely well. So let's talk about it. So I did 1 month. I'm currently on my 2nd month. A pack of refills for 2 of these things is about $17. That gets you either 2 months for 1 or 1 month for 2 Ortho boxes. So has it eliminated mosquitoes entirely from my yard? No. Say maybe if you're out here for 1 to 2 hours, will you occasionally get maybe like between 1 to 5 mosquitoes trying to bite you? Yes. However, is it way better? Is the backyard way more enjoyable now? Yes, because there's far less mosquitoes. When I first started with this, there were maybe, it felt like hundreds around you, like swarms. And sometimes you couldn't go outside because they were so bad. So this has definitely made a difference. I definitely feel that it's worth it. I'm going to continue to use this product. I think it's better than doing the mosquito dunk buckets, because this also has some type of poison that the mosquitoes carry to other breeding grounds. So this also the mosquitoes, when they go and lay eggs in other places, they take that with them, and that helps cut down on the mosquito activity even in the yards around me. It's made a huge difference in the amount of mosquitoes. Please make sure to follow along for more. Thanks. Bye.